Assalamualaikum students, welcome all of you to a new lecture of mathematics. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 8 from Oxford book 1, 7th edition. So our basic topic is about percentage. What is percentage actually? Percent is the combination of two words, as you can see here, per and cent. Per means every, while cent means 100. Let me give you example. That normally we say per year, per kilometer, similarly per cent, every 100, or you can simply say out of 100 or out of every 100. Let me give you example. Suppose you have 100 blocks on a paper. You just make 100 blocks on a paper and you just mark or colored 50 of them. So what you do actually, you just pick the 50% of that blocks. Is it? Because you pick the 50% of out of 100. Percentage is symbolically represented by that symbol known as percentage. Here's the fraction form. How you can write any percentage into fraction form? Here I have 35% is equals to 35 over 100, because that's something out of 100. That's percentage. Now I'm going to show you a relation about percentage and a fraction. What is fraction actually? That a normal that we write in our daily use life, this out of this. Suppose I'm going to write a fraction 3 over 5. What is the meaning of this 3 over 5? The meaning is you are going to take 3 part out of 5th part. Suppose you have a length of a wooden rack or something of 5 centimeter. You just take 3 of them. It means you take 3 of 5th part. You take this out of this. Similarly, if I relate with the percentage, 50 out of 100 part means you just take the 50% of any value. Okay, because that's out of every 100. Out of every 100. Now I'm going to show you the relation of percentage, fraction and a decimal value. Suppose I have a value here 35%. I'm going to convert into fraction form 35 over 100, because you are going to take 35 parts out of 100 part, means 35%. Next, the decimal form. How to convert fraction to decimal form? Hope it's a basic concept, you are well aware of it. If you don't know, let me give you a lighter view. If any value is divided by your tens, thousand, 10,000, it depends on the number of zeros how many you have. Suppose in this fraction you have 2 zeros here, obviously you have 100 here. So what we do, in normal value, in an accurate value, in an integer value, I use the same words. Your decimal sign lie on the most right side. If your value is divided by 100, means 2 zeros, your decimal part will move towards 2 step, means 0.35. Similarly, let me give you another example. Suppose if 35 is divided by 1000, I'm just going to clear the concept of decimal value. How can you locate the decimal sign? Now here this is a neutral number, an integer number 35. Here's your decimal sign right now on the most right side. So how many zeros you have in the denominator? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 zeros in the denominator. I'm going to move my decimal sign 3 step. 1, 2. Because you have just 2 numbers in the numerator. And 3. Here we go to 0, and the answer will be 0.035. This is how you convert any fraction into decimal, and here is the form of percentage into fraction into decimal value. I think this is the easiest way and the basic way for the beginners to learn the concept of percentage.